Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to address in today's video include place value, even and odd numbers, multiplication, and word problems. Let's start off with our first topic. What is the underlying place value? Number 1, they give us the number 52 and with the 5 underlined. Well, let's go over which place value is located in which section. So this is an example. We have the number 1000. This should be our ones place. This should be our tens place. This should be our 100s place. And this should be our thousands place. Okay, now let's go to number 152. We know that this is our ones place. That means the 5 and 52 should be our tens place. Therefore, our final answer for number 1 should be tens. Number 2, we have 23 with the 3 underlined. Well, we know that this is our ones place and this is our tens place. Therefore, the 3 and 23 should be our ones place. Number 7, 897 with the number 9 underlined. Well, we know that this is our ones place, this is our tens place, and the 8 in 897 is our hundreds place. Therefore, the 9 in 897 is the tens place. Last one, number 8, 768. We know that 8, which is our least number, which is our ones place. We have 6, which is our tens place. Last but not least, we have 7 and 768 in our hundreds place. Therefore, we know that 7 in 768 is in the 100s place. Our second topic is even and odd numbers, and it's asking us to determine whether the numbers below are even and odd. First, let's make a list of even and odd numbers to help us out throughout the process. We know that even numbers include 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And our odd numbers include 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Let's look at number 1. They give us the number 4, and we know that 4 is even because when we look at our evens list, 4 is in it. Therefore, we know that number 4 is even. Number 2, number 9. Well, we know that 9 is odd because it's in our odds list. But if I were to go further in depth and explain why it's even and odd, even numbers can be divided without any remainders, while odd numbers cannot be divided without remainders. Therefore, that's how we determine whether a number is even and odd. Moving on, we have number 11, 520. When we have big numbers like this, we always look at the ones place to determine whether it's even or odd. We have the number 0 in the ones place. Therefore, we know that as a whole, 520 is even because it ends with the number 0. Therefore, 520 is even. Last but not least, number 12, 2,842. This is the same thing as number 11, except we're in the thousands range. 2,842, we look at our ones place. Our ones place is a number 2. Therefore, we know that this is an even number. The number 2,842 as a whole is even because its ones place has an even number. Our next topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the numbers below. Number 1, 8 times 5. We can also look at this problem by referring it to as 8 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seventh group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our eighth group. We have 8 groups of 5 circles in each group. Let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Our final answer is 40. 8 times 5 equals 40. Number 11, 7 times 2. 7 times 2 can also be referred as 2 groups of 7 or 7 groups of 2. But let's draw it out. 1, 2, first group. 1, 2, second group. 1, 2, third group. 1, 2, fourth group. 1, 2, fifth group. 1, 2, sixth group. 1, 2, seventh group. We have 7 groups of 2 circles each. Let's add it all together to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 times 2 equals 14. Because word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, Kelly puts 397 bales of hay in one barn. There are still 186 bales of hay in the field. How many more bales of hay are in the barn than in the field? It's asking us how many more bales of hay are in the barn than in the field. The keywords more and then indicate that this is a subtraction problem. Therefore, we need to subtract 397 from 186. Let's align the numbers vertically so it's easy for us to solve. 7 minus 6 equals 1, 9 minus 8 equals 1, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Our final answer is 211. There are 211 more bales in the barn than in the field. Number 2, there are about 260 kinds of horses in the world. What is the value of the digit 2 in the number 260? Well, we know that the 0 is our ones place, our 6 is our tens place, so that only means our 2 is in our hundreds place. Therefore, the value of the digit 2 is hundreds value. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.